Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Chooks and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Gerard Romero will be one of our monitoring spirits. Don't come outside and let us know, say Barcelona don't get an agreement with Aubameyang, and this agreement we say they will take Auba on a 6-month loan deal from Arsenal to Barcelona. But this deal is subject to the sale of Dembele. Now the only clause where they attach to the deal say now only when they don't sell Dembele, because the way Dembele situation be for Barcelona now, Dembele no agree a contract extension with Barcelona. So Xavi on talk say if you no agree contract extension, then you must leave for this January. Even Dembele second go report to the Players Association where they come they sanction Barcelona, say why you go they give players ultimatum, say it's either they sign an extension or they move forward. Say it is not done anywhere. So Barcelona relationship with Dembele don't they sour somehow. So Dembele they look for how he go take come out. So they tell Arsenal say we would like to carry this guy on a 6-month deal, but it is subject to Dembele movement. And don't forget say now Barcelona and Juventus now make official bids. They would like to take Aubameyang on loan. So we see like today and tomorrow to know what thing will happen. Whether any movements will take place, I mean no will take place. I will let you know as they go. At the same time, from the visual, so they see from Arsenal training camp for Dubai, we see Jack Wilshere when they wear number 12 jersey. So this one can make a lot of people going to talk about Wilshere, going to talk say Arsenal won't give Wilshere a new contract. So another people say when they ask say make Arsenal even give the guy a new contract, whether they worthy of a new contract to get. This one we say no club anywhere in the world the reason the guy matter. Though we hear now say some clubs for Greece, some clubs for Italy, even championships say the reason the guy matter, but nobody don't come forward like put an official bid like say oh yeah take this contract, come join us. So before if the guy they train with Arsenal, I know the wear number. Now we say we want to see a wear number, and for the fact say they carry this guy go Dubai. Person will say they never even registered him for Arsenal team sheets. They can't carry Aubameyang and we don't they register. Leave him for England. You know, the thing they put some kind of speculation say if like say Arsenal won't give this guy a new contract. So if that is true, sure you think say this guy is worthy of a new contract for Arsenal? Let me know in the comments. I'm a German Pennant. Sef don't come outside. Can they advise Aubameyang say see it will make sense make you join Everton, because as Everton they need a striker where they known to the EPL. Instead of it they go all those kind of Barcelona, go Juventus. So see the guarantee say they go even give you playing time. If you go Juventus now, don't forget say they don't bring in Vlahovic. You will be senior man for Arsenal where they play week in week out. So you can't go there and go stay for Benjamin. If you go for Barcelona, well, you can still play for Barca because they get Memphis Depay and the guy not really the boss next. Even though they buy Ferran Torres, they come play the striking department also. So I never really know, but about the advice and say make him stay for Everton to continue in playing days. I don't know how that they see this advice we they give, and she makes sense. Then away from that, we're going to hear say Juventus don't submit an opening bid to sign Denis Zakaria from Borussia Mönchengladbach, and this deal now 7 million euros and add-ons will they up to like maybe a few million pounds, but that's 7 million euros for pounds at like 5.8 million pounds. And apart from that, Borussia Mönchengladbach now will decide anytime soon. I know say why Juventus the reason say they won't do this deal with Borussia Mönchengladbach now, because Zakaria herself at the same time in deal go expire at the end of the season. So at the end of the season will be free agent. So if they offer Borussia Mönchengladbach 5.8 million pounds, it would be easy for them to just accept. And at the same time, they get suitors for Rodrigo Bentancur and Otomelu. So they really say, okay, if we carry this guy, then we'll allow one of these people go, or even two self. If we see the yesterday, they won't even sell Kulusevski. So many things good day will still happen. But once they don't buy this Zakaria, because according to Fabrizio Romano, this deal will happen anytime. So if it even happens today, because they don't write the thing, they don't do meeting, and the player they willing to go to Juventus, Borussia Mönchengladbach they willing to sell, Juventus they willing to collect the player. So now win-win for both parties. So they likely to be announced today or highest tomorrow. But this has everything will turn out. Oh my God, what is scatter social media yesterday because they see Alexander Isak for London Heathrow Airport yesterday. They said the guy enter inside England. So the thing going to fuel speculation whether the guy does come England to come relax more, so that by the time we Arsenal go agree terms and fee with that in medical go come dey close by. As in many speculation, people they speculate to talk plenty things about the guy. So maybe that's why the deal will take place anytime soon, but we never know whether anything dey like that. And at the same time, when you hear reports say the guy don't register in car for London when they drive, for this one when they bring more speculation say whether they ready to stay for London. You know, many stories we never really know. Even some of the video where they circulate for even social media, somebody come to and say, "Come on, join us now." The guy can laugh. So we never really know how everything they go. This transfer window now today, Monday na deadline. After Monday, you know, we'll hear any transfer story again. Instead, we'll come and analyze those who don't work out, go some kind of clause, how it go fair, how it go change the dynamics of the second half of the window. So I just get more patience. All this kind of monitoring spirit talk say this one I talk say interested. And just a few days remain, everything will end. And at the same time, I want to use this opportunity to give one stern warning for all those who will come for my post, they type fake news or this one, that one. See, if you type fake news and you don't put any sources to contradict wetin me I talk, that means you have disrespect for me. You dey show a good lack of respect for my work. Because if I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning and I research news while you are sleeping, I go research this news finish, bring them to you on a platter of gold for you to just enjoy the news and get updated with verifiable sources. We hear why they mention the monitoring spirits, they mention the sources where you can verify, or a simple Google search will help you verify. You can't come for my post, come they type fake news. A simple Google search will just give you that brain, say, this thing no be fake news. You can't call it. See, and this is the final warning. Any place where I just say around, instant blocking, instant deleting. I beg, anywhere when I see anybody type this kind of thing, talk say fake news, and the person no put an alternate source wey debunk by uncredible sources, you talk say wetin I post na fake news. I beg, make that let me know, because the fact that you don't like a story gives you no right to talk say that news na fake. So that's my own warning now. This is the last issue. This one at the straw, we don't break the camel back. I will not take it again, because it shows you have no respect. So moving on, Al Nassr don't table a final offer for Aubameyang. They don't say they will pay in full salary. You know, say their own deadline. I don't know, their own deadline at today the end. So they talk say, they need this guy bad. Get. You know, say that before now Al Hilal talk say they will pay Aubameyang full salary. So them now talk say they will pay the full salary, and not just that. Say they will sign Aubameyang for like 3 or 4 years deal. Then they will give him a 12 months break clause. Say after 1 year, then we will assess your situation. If you still want to move back to Europe, we'll allow you move. But if you still want to continue here, so we'll let you continue. All those in fear say that Middle East, I ain't gonna take training children for school. She will leave them for London when they go there. They try to make them easy for us. They'll give them money, you know, making hearts. They cool, they may come join them. But Aubameyang say no. All I want is Europe. I want to stay in Europe. I don't want to go where I'm going to learn Arabic. I beg, I want to stay for Europe. So well, we'll watch how the Europe will be now. But surprise, Crystal Palace don't send an offer to Arsenal. Say they would like to collect Eddie Nketiah for this window. See, they need them bad, you get. So Arsenal don't reject the offer. Now what will they hear now? See, they don't want to sell the guy at all. They want to make the guy stay to the end of the season. Arsenal see the reason, say they feel still reason 1 or 2 with Eddie Nketiah making sign a new contract extension, even though the guy get just merely 6 months left on his contract. Well, everything at the end of the summer, because Arsenal don't want me the guy go for January. Because normally, why you go even allow him go for January? We say now only him and Lacazette 9 days. So anything make Eddie Nketiah come out. Let me see the one forgive Aubameyang. But anything make Eddie Nketiah come out, Aubameyang come out. Let me say the one bring a new striker. Well, for research, everything will turn out. All these things will be talk. All these things, news, transfer news. Not just today, tomorrow, Sunday, Monday. After Monday, it is over. So all those who talk say they are tired of this transfer news, Arsenal interested. After Monday, it will be over. We'll go back to our normal daily routine without any transfer news. Brouhaha. Another family spiritual they call Daniel Blackham. Don't come outside and let us know. Say Granit Xhaka go stay for Emirates. Say the guy will go Roma anytime soon. Say at least for this season to end. Granit Xhaka go there for Arsenal to the end of the season. Forget the news where they talk say Mourinho they interested. Won't carry the guy. Fine, it is true. Say Mourinho they interested in taking him, but for now the guy need to go anywhere. Say, don't forget say last season that transfer window, where Mourinho won't come carry the guy. After the move failed, Arsenal renewed this guy contract, give him like some few years ahead again. So this guy contract will expire 2024. So for now, he go deal with them to the end of the summer before Arteta will come reassess in situation. Can't know whether he go need to sign anybody. I mean, no go sign. Who they move, who no they move. So that's the end of the summer. Say, Boku no fear. Say, Gracia cannot go anywhere. Brighton don't come outside. They open to offer. Say they're ready to sell Bissouma now. So anybody want to sign Bissouma, make the person come sign now. See they need money now, and they slap 50 million pounds for Bissouma head. So Arsenal, Man City, Liverpool, and Man U, they're highly interested in Bissouma. So they would like to sign out. So we never know that Arsenal will be interested in this kind of deal, because it is true that we need a defensive midfield replacement. But 50 million pounds, come on, is it not too much? You not see Arsenal going for this kind of deal? She no go too much. That's the question we may ask. And at the same time, Tottenham Hotspur don't do panic buying, because all the targets we them talk to they won't sign at the beginning of the season, they no sign them at all. So now they don't come outside for the chook mouths for Arsenal matter with Juventus. I know say their sporting director Patriacci, he worked for Juventus for 11 years. I think he was Juventus sporting director. So the guy want leverage in relationship with Juventus when they price people like maybe Dejan Kulusevski, Otomelo, and Rodrigo Bentancur. You sure they won't pack the whole three, carry the go White Hart Lane. So now we see they discuss now, they negotiate. So we never know how everything goes up. But more they watch. Even Sky Sports Italia said don't come outside. They let us know so Juventus will send Kulusevski to Tottenham Hotspur on loan, and the deal will cost £5 million with an obligation to pay £35 million later on, as long as say Tottenham Hotspur qualify for Champions League. Just told us say Patriacci want leverage in relationship, and according to what they hear again, they talk say Tottenham Hotspur don't send £19 million offer for Rodrigo Bentancur, and don't forget say Aston Villa send £20 million for the same Bentancur. So we never know how all these things will work out. So that will even affect Arsenal deal for this guy, because don't forget say Arsenal self need this guy, they won't sign up. So I never know how all these things will drop. Arsenal won't sign Melu, and Juventus won't sell Kulusevski, they won't sell Rodrigo Bentancur, and they won't still bring in Denis Zakaria from Borussia Mönchengladbach. So all these things I never know how it will materialize. Well, now today, tomorrow, final days, we'll know what is up. So my dear football lovers, if you know what yesterday's show, just check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click and make you get all the updates as they drop all over the world. I don't want to make you miss anything. And it's Achuk signing out. Happy Sunday, and get out.